Hello, this is Willie Garcia with the Garcia Real Estate Team, bringing you folks another educational video. Today's video is about the home inspection, the importance of having a home inspection, and what the home inspection entails. Today we are with one of our good friends, Sergio from Bullseye Inspection. Sergio, tell the public what the home inspection entails.
Well, Willie, basically the home inspection, the purpose of a home inspection is to protect you, the client.
Absolutely.
We need to let you know any defects on the property that might not be visible to the naked eye, but based on our years of training and our tools, of course, we're able to find them, to explain them to you, to let you know the condition of the property.
Absolutely. So just so you know, it's important to have your home inspector go up on the roof, literally walk the roof and make sure that there's no defects on the roof. That's what every inspector should be doing at your home inspection. So here Sergio's checking the water softener, making sure it's in working order. He's going to test it as always. So here's Sergio checking the electrical panel, making sure all the wires are correctly installed. There's no fire hazards. So here we're checking the outlets, making sure they're working, that there's no reverse polarity, there's ground, and that there's some ground. Here we're checking the wood burning fireplace, making sure everything's in order. Checking the furnace, making sure it's in working order. So here Sergio's going to go into the attic to make sure that the roof is in good condition. There's no water leaks up there, no exposed wires. Insulation is looking good. So make sure your inspector is doing that also. Make sure he crawls up there, goes all the way in and takes pictures and gives you a report on his discovery up in the attic.